How to promote CPA offers on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your CPA offers on Instagram. So let's get started. What is CPA affiliate marketing? CPA stands for Coach Per Action Affiliate Marketing. In this kind of affiliate marketing, we make money whenever there is an action taken on our offer and on our link that we have added. So, an important part of CPA marketing is that promoting the offers and promoting our links. What we can do is we can use different free platforms in order to do that. And today I will show you how we can use our Instagram account in order to promote our CPA offers. So let's jump into the video. The first thing that you will need is, of course, you will need a CPA platform where you will get your offers from. So what you can do is you can go to cpagrip.com and sign up for CPA Grip. The signing up process is really easy. You just register with your email address and you can set up a password. You enter your address and you're good to go. This is my CPA Grip dashboard right here, and you can see this is my affiliate number. So right here, I can check my total revenue, and CPA Grip is actually one of the most famous CPA affiliate marketing platform, and I personally use CPA Grip for my offers, for my affiliate marketing, and it helps me earn maximum revenue. I have created this account for you guys so that I can show you how it looks as a complete beginner. I will be able to check my stats and charts. We have offer tools, we have payment center. So another good thing about CPA Grip is if you will use CPA Grip, you will be able to get payments very easily. We can get payments through our PayPal, Payoneer, our direct bank transfer, and that's what we need, an easy payment method so that we can withdraw our money easily. And you can also see that right here on CPA Grip, I can check recently added offers and I can also go with top performing offers. Let's open up this one, top performing offers, and let me show you the offers that are available on this platform right here. So once you open up any the offer list, these are the top performing ones, and you can see right here, this one is for mobiles, desktop. Then we have categories, we have a few of the images, then we have description, payout, sort, then we have net profit, my profit, net CR, net EPC, and added. So you can actually select any of these different offers available here, and you can also search by categories. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for US from here in the country section. So you can see that when it comes to the payout, we have $0.86, $2, $1. Then we have a maximum payouts available too. For example, for $8, $6. So let's go with this one. You can see it's actually a gift card offer, and we have 2.05 payout for this one. Open it up and it will give you a link that you have to copy. You can see right here, what you have to do is just enter your mobile number. That's what people will have to do. And I will make money when they will do this because they will be taking an action on my offer. Copy the link from your offer that you have, and now I will promote my offer that I have. I will go to Instagram, instagram.com, one of the very famous social media. I assume you already have Instagram account. You don't need any business account, or you don't need Instagram ads, or you don't need to do highly paid promotion on very complicated thing. No, what you can do now is you can go to your profile that you have, and you can either go ahead and use the profile that you already have, or you can create a brand new profile to promote your offers. A lot of people do that. If we search on Instagram right here, I'm going to search for CPA. Let's go with a hashtag CPA, and you can see it has more than 9 million posts right here on Instagram. And now you can see a lot of people doing CPA marketing right here, promotion on Instagram. How we do that? So we don't say that we're actually doing CPA marketing here, or this is my CPA offer. We promote that product, we promote that offer that we have. For example, if this were a fitness application, I would have created right here a post on Instagram. If you are an influencer, then it becomes really easy for you. If you have followers on Instagram, it will be really easy for you to do promotion on Instagram, of course, because you already have audience. If you do not have audience, what you can do is you can use hashtags. people follow different hashtags, and you can go with hashtag CPA, hashtag CPA offers, and you can create such account. And then you can create these posts like these, and you can see, for example, this one. Now, they're not saying that we're promoting an offer. They're just giving you this overview that, okay, this is a product, you should check it out. This is a game, you should check it out. Click on the link and check out the best game, or click on the link to check out this application. Click on the link to earn money. So that's how we kind of like, attract the audience towards our offers and towards our promotion that we're doing. You can see right here a lot of different promotions happening here. You can see you can create such post pictures with Canva, or you can use any kind of editing application. If you're good in editing, you can create these very cool posts, and then you can promote it. For example, this one, don't miss out on this. Now, what is this? This is just an offer for affiliates, and people will click on it, check it out, and they'll be like, oh, okay, this is cool. You can see that you can earn points. This is how affiliate marketing works. We sometimes in CPA, we say that we will give you 200 points if you complete this survey, and people do that, and we make money out of it. We make the payout, and we then give them 200 points. And with those points, what's happening is it's a two-way earning happening here. What happens is, if somebody is just completing a 10-second survey, they're earning 200 points, and once they have 1,000 points, they will be able to make $1. So they're also making money with these offers. So that is why CPA marketing has a very high ratio for you to make money, and it has high commissions for us, and we can make a good income out of CPA marketing, and we can make in thousands if our offers do well. You can create brand new offers on CPA Grip right here. As I showed you, what you can do is you can go to offers, and you can see we can create offers such as lock the content, lock videos, lock URL, SS feed offers, and more. These are the different offers that we can create on CPA Grip. And then you can promote these different links on Instagram. You can use the hashtag how people simply create it. Let me open it up any of these. For example, this one. And we can add the link in the description, and we can redirect people. That's really important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing, redirecting people to our landing pages, to our links, to our offers. And we just create a post on Instagram, and then we're good to go. You can create a new account for this one, or if you already have an account, you can use it for your CPA affiliate marketing promotion. And it has a large audience, and it's an active platform. There are millions of users using Instagram every day, just scrolling down, and they also want to make money. They see different offers. There are different potential buyers and that we can actually avail through our Instagram, get more followers, and you can just promote your offers on Instagram without any business account and without paying anything. It's an open platform, free social media platform that you can use in order to promote your affiliate offers. And you can also create a landing page if you want on blogger.com for free. Use canva.com to create posts and start earning money right now. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to promote your CPA offers on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.